Good morning. Today is 13 July 2024. Time right now is 9:57, and we are going to a special place, a special temple called Gunda Anjaneya Swami Temple. It's off Kanakpura Road, and yesterday it rained too much. Today it's cloudy, as you can see, and overcast weather. I hope it doesn't rain. I have carried a raincoat. So yeah, let's go. Jai Hanuman. So warmed up the bike. Last couple of days I was riding the 300F only, mostly. The 390 ADV was in parking, so I thought today let's take the 390 ADV out for a spin. Man, it feels good, man, to ride again. So today I'm going solo, so no one is going to accompany me. So weather is too damn good today, man. I'm going to take the 80 feet road to join to Kanakpura Road from here. So this one is a free left. So it has been couple of days since I last rode. The last time I went was Ragihalli State Forest, but that was a very short ride. This one is also a short ride. So the temple is around 35 kilometers from Bangalore, off Kanakpura Road. So less traffic, as you see here, because today is Saturday and all the IT employees are taking rest. But yeah, nice day, man, overall. I'm feeling happy to be out on the road again. Not sure why. The initial excitement never fades off, man. When you ride the 390 ADV. I am feeling like I am riding once more, even after riding so much. So people are having breakfast here, as you can see, Bangalore scenes. Oh man. I was missing the surge of power of the 390. Seriously, man. The 300F has a mellower power curve, a linear power curve, but the 390 ADV is like a small kid who is restless and always want to go, 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 go. So it's the month of July, but In Bangalore it is looking like winter season, man. You can see the dark clouds hovering above me. Not sure when it will rain, but in Bangalore it rains in an unseasonal way. It rains more around the September and October months. Not sure what is the reason. Main reason for that would be the global warming. But still, I love this city, man. Bangalore is true love, man. So we are at the 80 feet road now. Time right now is 10:04. So I woke up today, I didn't have a clear agenda on my mind where I would go. I was just casually looking for places near Bangalore, like not too far, around 50 kilometers one way. So I found this temple, Gunda Anjaneya Swami temple. It's an old temple, it seems, and I thought, let's go, man. Why to waste a beautiful day, man. Jai Hanuman, Jai Anjaneya. We are going to the Hanuman temple, Anjaneya Swami temple only. But still, Lord Hanuman is my source of strength. Whenever I feel low, I just pray to him in my mind, and he always delivers, man. Oh man, look at these cows casually sitting on the road. Yesterday it was raining cats and dogs, man, when I went to office. But look today, like it's completely dried up. There is no even proof that it rained yesterday, like cats and dogs. Not sure where all the water went. Maybe it seeped in the roads. Maybe the concrete seeped the water. Not really sure about that. There is water crisis in Bangalore still. Not really sure when it was gonna end. WB18. Oh man. Oh, what the hell. Need to be careful and not get target fixated. Sometimes what happens is we see a target and we keep on focusing on it, and something unexpected happens, like you crash. So we should avoid doing that. So should look around and be wary of your surroundings. So this one is the Vajrahalli metro station off Kanakpura road. We have to take a right from here according to Google Maps. this one is the Vajrahalli metro station, which is almost the third last metro station in the green line. Hope there is no much traffic on Kanakpura road. So the D-Mart is also looking slightly empty today. Maybe yesterday night they had done the shopping. Lots of cows around here. Oh man. So this one is the Thalghattapura metro station, the second last line of the second last metro station of the green line. Oh man, what the hell. Lots of cows around here. We have to be really careful and not trail behind a vehicle, because suddenly they can brake and will be like colliding in behind them. Oh man, the signal is green finally. The signal will be like closed for a lot of time. Oh man, what an idiotic guy, man. Okay. I thought he's telling to stop. Not sure when this construction is gonna end. Bangalore construction is very slow, man. The infrastructure part, I mean. They are not double timing that for some reason. Maybe lack of funds, who knows. I always like riding off the Kanakpura road, man. Kanakpura road is love. So we are approaching Silk Institute metro station. Time right now is 10:15 in the morning. And this one is the last metro station in the green line in the southern end. The skies are turning too much grey. I don't know whether it is gonna rain or what. So we are approaching the Nice Road intersection of the Kanakpura road. Oh man, Google is showing red in this stretch. People are dying to go to Kanakpura Road, I guess, today. Not really sure. So this one is the nice road, toll plaza exit. Oh man, finally we crossed that intersection. So I think we are now in the clear and we have joined Kanakpura Road now. Time right now is at 10:17. Oh, missed that one. Oh man, look at this beauty. Dark grey clouds and no heat. I am loving it, man. Wow man, wow. The average male experience. This is what a man wants, man. He just wants simple things in life. No fancy clothes. Just a beautiful destination and beautiful road. And my trusted bike. That's it. What else a man needs, man? Feeling nice, man. Whenever I come to Kanakpura Road, all my stress and anxiety goes away, man. This road is like magic, man. Best for cruising. So this one is the Art of Living Center, as you can see here in my right. I have never visited it, but I plan to someday. Not today, almost. So this is the Udupi Garden Hotel. Oh, I think we should have taken that diversion there, but there was no board also. So this one is the Dayanand Sagar College. Lots of students around here, as you can see. Oh man, if someone is waving and you waved them back and they are not making eye contact, it feels awkward, man. I say fuck it. Oh man. So the temple is around 10 kilometers from here. So yeah, catch you at that temple. So we have reached Kaglipura. Time right now is 10:26. And we are crossing Kaglipura now. The ride is going good so far. Can't complain. Oh man, look at this beauty. Ramnagara, the place of hills. The Ramnagar district has too many hills, man. People are returning from their breakfast rides and I am going in the opposite way. There is always some traffic in this section. Cannot do anything about that. Oh man. Welcome to Villa neighborhood. 4,999 per square feet. Good deal, man. I feel. It's outskirts of Bangalore, around 15 kilometers away from the Kanakpura road. But this place is underdeveloped still, man. That is a problem. जय श्री राम, जय हनुमान, जय आंजनेय. If the road is like this, man, oh man. It feels so nice, man. If the road is this wide, but it isn't, obviously, right now. So this part is always a stretch. Okay. So not so hard, but rather an inconvenience. So we are back at the road again. Did I miss the turn or what? Riding Tripsy, man, not at all safe. That too without helmet. Look at this marshlands, man. Now we are talking, man. I like this highway a lot. So Google Maps is showing we have to take a left in another 600 meters. Lovely road, man. Another 390 adventure owner. I think is this the one? Yep. Nowadays I think a lot, man, about giving someone a lift. Oh man, what the hell. So this is some inner roads, and this place is called Nettigere. And this one is some temple in the left. I'm not sure which is the temple. So Google Maps is showing left from here. Hope the trail isn't covered with mud and slush, or else if the bike gets stuck in that, it will be very difficult to pull it out. Elim Resort. Nice little resort inside of the road. So you can see the temple over there. I think, is that the one? Not really sure. That might be the one on the hilltop over there. These roads are too much narrow, man, and we have lots of blind spots, as you can see. So we have to continuously keep pressing horn in order to not collide with the incoming vehicle, obviously. Oh man, look at that beauty. I think that is the one. We have to reach the top somehow. Oh. I like offbeat places like this, man. Calm and serene and peaceful places, man. It really nourishes the mind. So I'm always on a lookout for offbeat places like this. Okay, where is the temple? Oh, nice. Oh man. Huh?
5 minutes.
1 minute hold. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಹೌದು.
ಹಾಂ. Oh man. Perhaps I came in too fast. So this is a lake in the top. Unfortunately I fell from my bike there and it was not fatal, but still, like, I felt I could not judge it properly, like the grooves of the mountain. So I fell. The bike stalled actually because of low end torque. Fine. So just rested it for some while and applied the first aid kit from the box. So not much injury, like just had some few scratches. I'll just show you. So this is the scratch. So it's a nice place. I'll go down and see the temple now. Yeah, so stay tuned. This is the temple. As you can see, it's situated on a cliff. Really nice place, man. It's only open on Saturdays, it seems. So there's my bike, and there I misjudged the turn, as you can see. And there are some steps also. If you wanna climb and come, you can park your vehicles over there. It's a very old temple, Shri Gunda Anjaneya temple, Swami temple. So felt some positive vibes after coming to this temple. Unfortunately I fell, but still, after going inside the temple, all my anxiety was gone. So while descending I need to be slow. Oh man, I forgot the key in my back pocket. So time right now is 11:44 and we are heading back to Bangalore, the home. Happens to the best of us, man. We should not be overconfident. Not sure why I fell, but one thing I can tell is we should not be overconfident on our skills, man. Anyone can fall. And the bike has low end torque. No low end torque, I mean. You have to rev it too much, that's why it stalled. So we're gonna take the same Kanakpura road back to Bangalore. The stock crash guard is too good, man. It absorbed the impact. Highly recommend, man. We don't need any additional stock engine guard. And the bark buster also helped. the 390 ADV is rocking again. So yeah, catch you at the Kanakpura road. So we joined the Kanakpura road back. Time right now is 11:51. And we are headed back to Bangalore. Oh man, the stretch is lovely, man. Can see rows of electric cables over there. It's looking damn awesome. And vast green lands, you can see marshlands, wetlands. You can see some birds over there. So yeah, let me reach Bangalore and update you. Oh man, what the hell. So time right now is 12:03 and we have almost reached the Art of Living. So this one is the Art of Living. So I'm gonna end the vlog here as there would be too much traffic inside Bangalore now. So yeah, see you in the next one. Until then, bye.